Next part is Thursday, May 30th, 2024, Under the Wing 79 in progress. I'm working on the lower of the last 3 allegorical sea monsters here. So I'm using red bottled ink, a metal drawing pen, dip it in ink. Right now I'm doing the outline of this allegorical sea monster here, including the fearsome teeth. Teeth that would make my dentist shudder. Might be time to rewatch the movie Jaws. Blockbuster thriller of, I forget what year, 1970s, I think. Oh. Okay, looks like the tongue came out a bit orange. I'll have to work on that because I wanted to make it red. My uploading the video I did a day or two ago is delayed because the public library computer and internet terminals, patron internet terminals, are still down. Nice singing, budgies, nice singing, very nice, very nice. Good work, darlings. All right, to be continued. I'll do another video of this allegorical sea monster after I finish it. Okay, stay tuned.